Launching a new product is only half the battle. Making sure your customers know how to use it effectively is the other half. And that's where video training and onboarding comes in. Video is a powerful tool for getting your customers and partners up to speed quickly without the confusion or the learning curve. This video is one in a series of videos that I'm doing on stepping up your go-to-market game with video. We've also released a free ebook called Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video. Stick around to learn how you can receive your own free copy. Video training and onboarding allow you to guide customers and partners step by step, making sure they understand exactly how to use your product, access its features, and get the most value from it. Instead of relying on lengthy manuals or multiple calls, video delivers clear visual instructions that are easy to follow. Whether it's a quick start guide, a walkthrough of key features, or troubleshooting tips, video can handle it all. One of the beauties of using video for training is that it's scalable. Once created, it can be reused across your customer base and partner network and updated when needed. And since video is available on demand, customers and partners can access it anytime, reducing the need for live one-on-one sessions and freeing up your support team. And now, remote video capture makes creating these training videos easier than ever. You can film from anywhere, no need for extensive production setups or coordinating with large crews. It's quick, efficient, and minimizes the effort on your part while still delivering high-quality results. Video can also be leveraged for other go-to-market strategies such as product demos, thought leadership content, and webinars. I'll be covering these in future videos, so stay tuned for more insights. If you're looking to streamline your customer and partner training with video, now's the perfect time to start. If this sparked some ideas, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And to get your own free copy of our new ebook, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video, just drop me a line in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.